So welcome back. Today is Saturday. I just finished doing my house chores, sweeping, removing the dog's hair. The dog's hair, they are all over the apartment. I have to sweep every day. I have to remove hair from this apartment every day. I don't know why his hair are falling now. Like they are falling so much. So I decided to learn polish on my own, to study polish on my own, to know if I can. I'm just trying. I don't know if I can do it, but I'm trying to learn numbers, like from number 1 to 10 and all of that on my own before I start going to the language school. And I must say I am kind of improving. I'm improving. So yeah, anything I don't understand, I will ask my husband and he's going to tell me the correct meaning. So yeah, that's basically what I will do this morning.
Wait, okay. What happened again? Ever since I came to Poland, 2 months I've been using my hands to wash clothes. Finally, we have washing machine. This is the old one. It's bad, spoiled. So we got this new one recently. And I have to force this guy here. Force him to install it.
Because I'm busy.
Because you are busy.
Take.
Why are you giving me?
It's you're washing.
Babe, you have to throw this thing away. Don't tell me you're keeping it for future purposes. You throw it away.
How, when are you going to move? No, we're not throwing, because when we will go to a new place, they want...
Where is the space you want to keep this thing in this house now?
No, don't worry, we have my container.
You have your container. So when will you put it in the container?
Very soon. If you will not shut up, I will stop arranging that.
If I'm not shut up, you stop arranging.
Yes.
See this man, they threaten me. Unbox it. You're not unboxing very well.
I hope they have this. And bought the machine, put the machine on top, in this fucking apartment. It saved 79 zloty. Now the machine is installed, you can enjoy. Come on, you will never fuck my brain anymore.
I'll continue to fuck your brain as long as I'm your wife.
No.
Expect that from me.
No.
No more using of hands to wash any longer. I'm so excited.
So smart, chick. I like how you do. You are awesome. Very smart, chick.
I'm very smart.
Yes.
How?
You achieved everything.
pogo, unhappy, no homo, new brands, no logos, money on my juggler.
I am about to step out. I am about to go out. I am going to the mall. I am going to the park. I just need to take a walk. I just need to leave the house. The house is so boring. My husband is working and I don't want to disturb. You know me, guys, I don't like staying in one place. So quick outfit check. The jacket is from Nigeria. This jacket is 2 years now. The watch is from Oraimo. The jewelries are from Shein. This particular jewelry, I bought it in Nigeria. The gown, this black gown, my sister gave it to me. The white sneakers from Nigeria. The glass is also from Nigeria. So yeah, my makeup is looking so good. I am proud of myself. Practice makes perfect. I am so proud of myself, guys. The makeup is so this is basically everything I'm putting on. This is after 3, so I need to get going. I'll talk to you guys later. What I noticed in Poland is that everybody here rides bicycle. Old, young, everybody, they have bicycle. This jacket, this top, I mean, it's fine. Let me see the price. 409. And it's thick, very, very thick. 74 zloty. I like this gown a lot. It's just simple and fine. It has black and white and it has red. I don't really like the red like that. I don't like the red. I prefer the black and white. It's so fine. 69 zloty or 70 zloty. Should I take it or not? Should I take it or not? I have my husband's card with me. If I should use this money now, he's going to kill me. Look, I risk him. Should I risk it? Should I risk it, guys? I don't know. I like the gown a lot. But Organo go grey or from the mall now. I left there around 7. I bought one gown. My husband does not know about it yet, and I got few food stuff. So let me show you. I got foil paper, 2 olive, I got apples, tomatoes. I saw this Korean noodle, super spicy. I said to myself, let me see how spicy it is. So I got two. I got noodles. I saw these noodles at the mall. Can you imagine? I got 2 noodles and mangoes, peppers, and 2 bread. I forgot to buy Lipton tea. I don't know why I forgot. So yeah, that's basically everything I got. I enjoyed my outing today, and I think tomorrow I'm going to go to the second mall. We have 2 malls, they are close to each other, so I went to the first one, and tomorrow I'm going to the second one. My husband did not know I was with his credit card. He literally forgot the card with me, and immediately he saw all these things I got. He was like, how did you pay for it? And I told him, you left your card with me. To him, he thought I stole the card, but I told him he left the card with me, and that card I used to pay for all these things. And he did not know I used his card to get a dress if he should find out. This morning we had a huge quarrel, like huge. We were yelling at each other, yelling and yelling. And I said to myself, just step out, go, because the tension in the house was not good. I was not liking the vibe after the quarrel. I said to myself, just go out, and immediately I stepped out of the house. I became calm. I forgot everything. So yeah. Anyway, let's see how it goes tomorrow. So yeah.